Check this out, guys. I'm going to be giving away this evaporative humidifier 100% free. The only thing you need to do is be a subscriber, leave a comment, and let me know that you would like to win. That is going to be everything you need to do to enter. And I'm going to be giving a lot more stuff away. I already have a video for those Bluetooth speakers, so if you haven't seen that yet, you still have time to go enter to win these Bluetooth speakers. And I also have a couple of dash cams that I'm going to be making videos on, so definitely subscribe so you can see those videos and you can enter to win all this cool stuff. Now let's get into the review. Check this out, guys. This is Aeocky's evaporative mist humidifier. Now they sent this out to me to do a review on it, and I've never used this style of humidifier before. I've used humidifiers before, the kind that really pump the moisture into the air, but the thing that I like about this is that it doesn't have that steam that's coming out. It's adding the moisture into the air slowly in a clean, more hygienic way, instead of just pumping moisture out, leaving you with wet and damp spots, which is absolutely incredible. And it's a beautiful machine too. It's really easy to use and operate. I'll bring you in closer so you can see all the functions. All of our buttons here are on top. It's gonna breathe in air here on the sides and then blow the air out through the top, 360 degrees. So this is great for large rooms or in a nursery or something like that. And you can see down here, if you can see that little red ball, that is gonna show our water level. And to take it apart and fill it up is really easy. You're just gonna lift right here and this is going to come off, and then you can fill your water in here. And then this is our filter, and our filter can come up and out, and this part right here comes off, so it is a washable filter. So super simple, super easy to use. And then when we put it back on, there is a little dot here and a little dot on the base that we just want to line up. And then there we go. It's easy as that to fill it up with water. And you can also fill it with water through the top if you want to, but just make sure it's not on. Don't fill it with water through the top. If the fan's running, it might mess up the machine and it's gonna blow the water right back at you. But let me go ahead and bring you guys in a little bit closer so we can go over all of the buttons here, and we'll get it fired up so you can see what this guy does. So we have three hard buttons here. We have our mode, our power, and our timer. And then right here up top is gonna be our display. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the power so we can turn it on, and it's firing up right now. So I can feel the wind. I don't know if you can hear it because it is very quiet, but I can feel it coming out right now. So like I spoke about before, you're not going to see that steam come out like your traditional humidifier. It's basically kind of operating like a fan, but it's still adding that humidity to the air. So you can see right now our digital display up top that we are currently at 60% humidity. And with my mode button, I can cycle through auto, sleep, and power. And power, that's gonna be kind of like our turbo mode. I like to keep it on auto. I like the machine. The machine's gonna sense the humidity in the air and it's gonna make those adjustments for me so I don't have to worry about anything. But sleep mode, if I toggle to sleep mode, that's gonna slow it down, make it more quiet. And then if I hit my mode button again, back to power, it's really gonna boost up and start pumping out that humidity. Our next button here, our power button, this is obviously gonna turn it on and off, but it will also toggle here to our dry filter. Now this is a 90-minute setting, which is going to our filter inside. It's gonna run a cycle to dry out our filter. So I talked about this being clean and hygienic. You don't want to leave a wet, soggy filter in. So after we, before we turn it off, we hit our power button. It's actually going to go to that dry filter cycle and dry out our filter to make it just nice and clean and ready to use the next time we need the machine. So if I click it again, then it will completely power down, but I am gonna turn it back on because we're gonna go to our next hard button here, which is gonna be our timer. So if I click my timer button, I have the option to set a timer on here from 1 to 24 hours. So I can toggle all the way through. 24 hours is what you can set it for. And then if I click it again, it will go back to 0, and I can toggle back to auto, and the machine is gonna do everything for me. So if you guys are looking for a new humidifier, something that's more clean, more hygienic, maybe so you're putting something in the baby's room, or you need something for your whole house, This will do it with the 360 option here at the top that's blowing out everywhere, not like a traditional humidifier where it's just kind of blowing one direction, or you can move it, you know, left or right. This is 360 and it's going to cover a large amount of space. So if you're looking for a new humidifier, I definitely would recommend trying out this style, the evaporative humidifier. It's working out great for me. I've absolutely loved it.